Totalmobile is in the privileged position today of working with over 50 Tier 1 and specialist contractors operating in the social housing sector across the UK. Contractors need to exhibit an ability to work in partnership with residents and frontline staff, model out delivery of excellent repairs and maintenance processes, high standards of behaviour in all of their interactions in the communities that they're operating, have a clear grasp of their own performance, be able to collaborate effectively right across the supply chain, be able to demonstrate an ability to manage risk and adapt to change. And finally, these organisations need to demonstrate an effective grasp of risk management. Totalmobile is enabling contractors with a whole host of capabilities from across our platform. Starts first and foremost with job management. Mobile workforce management is a significant factor in the delivery. Real-time appointment booking slots to interact once their work order, their job has been raised, right the way through to completion. Providing comprehensive dynamic scheduling capabilities, so enabling these organisations to deliver services most efficiently with the resources at their disposal. We're underpinning the entire operating model with advanced data and analytics capabilities, increasingly powered by AI, and enabling them to ensure that they're able to demonstrate the value that they're delivering to this critical sector.